Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of Circle, and we are on day 17 of our 100 days mathematics conceptual learning challenge. So far we have discussed the terms related to circle in part 1, and then we discussed about the application of circle on wheel in part 2. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of concentric circle, and we'll come to know what is the meaning of concentric circle and how to find the solutions of the questions related to the concentric circle. Okay, so let's start with the topic. So what is concentric circle? Okay, concentric circles are the circles, okay, where two or more circles are drawn with common center. This is your common center. See, we have drawn 3 circles and we can draw many more circles. But you can see the center of all these 3 circles are common. That this is your center of all the 3. So this will called as a common center. Okay, this is your common center. Common center. Now we have got the common center. Now you can see we'll have the different radius of all the circle. So you can see the radius of this is your r, then we can see the radius of this one is r. Suppose if it is r1, this is r2, and then we have the radius of r3. So outer circle have radius r3, inner circle have radius r1, and the middle one is r2. Okay, that means they have the different radius. Okay, now always remember the r3, that the radius of the third circle, the outermost circle, will be greater than the next circle inside that, to r2, and then the radius of innermost circle will be the less than any other outer circle. Okay, so now you got the point. What is the meaning of concentric circle? Concentric circles are 2 or more circles with common center. Okay, and always remember each concentric circle will have different radius but the same center, that is the common center. Okay, now let's see. Next point. What is the area of inner and outer circle? See, if I ask you what is the area of the outer circle and inner circle, we have the inner circle. Inside this circle is your inner circle and this circle is your outer circle. Okay, now let me take a center as O and any point. Okay, now I am drawing a radius, and since it is the radius of inner circle, I will denote it by small r. Okay, now I will denote the radius of outer circle as capital R. Okay, remember from here to here it is r, and from here to here it is small r. Okay, now we know how to find the area. So area is nothing but pi r square. So we have taken the radius as r only, so the area of inner circle will be pi r square. Now what is the outer circle area? Area of outer circle equal to, so we have taken the radius of outer circle as capital R, so area will be pi capital R square. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the area of shaded portion. If you are have been asked to find the area of the shaded portion, how will you calculate? Let's see. So we have got the area of outer circle as pi capital R square and the area of inner circle as pi small r square. Okay. Now if you subtract the area of inner circle from the area of outer circle, you will get the area of this shaded portion. So if you are asked to find the area of shaded portion, you can write it area of shaded portion equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So what is the area of outer circle? It is pi r square. And what is the area of inner circle? It is pi small r square. So you can see we have got pi as common. So we can write this as r square minus r square. Okay. One important concept that I'm going to discuss about. So this is the answer of the area of shaded portion. But for the point of convenience of the calculation, I'm going to discuss something. Okay. See, we know the formula of a square minus b square. It is a plus b and a minus b. So in the similar way, I can write r square minus r square as r plus r and r minus r. So I can further write this formula as pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay. You don't have to remember it, just keep in mind that how to find the area of shaded portion. Okay. Now, the area of a circular ring formed by the two concentric circles whose radii are 5.7 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. So you have got the radius of the outer circle, that is the capital R. I will denote it by capital R, and it is 5.7 centimeter. And we have got the radius of inner circle also, that is small r is given as 4.3 centimeter. Okay. Now, how to calculate the area of this shaded portion? We know area of circular ring. So area of circular ring means they are asking you to find the area of this shaded portion only. Okay. This is the part where you have to find the area. Okay. So you know the formula. It is pi r square minus r square. In further you can write pi r plus r and r minus r. So just keep the value pi. Then what is the value of r, capital R? It is 5.7 plus 4.3. Then we have 5.7 minus 4.3. Okay. So pi. Now we have got 5.7 plus 4.3. It is 6. And then for 10. And then this is 5.3 minus 4.3, it is 1.4. Okay. Now I can write the pi as 22 by 7, and 10 into 1.4 will give us you 14. So this is get cancelled out 2 times. So you are 44 and the unit is centimeter square. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. Find the area between two concentric circles whose diameter are 35 centimeter and 21 centimeter. Okay. Now see, we have the radius of a small, we have to calculate the radius of inner circle and the radius of outer circle. Why? Because the diameter is given. So we know, so capital R will be how much? Diameter of the larger circle is 35. So 35 divided by 2 centimeter. Okay, that is 17.5 centimeter. So now we have got the capital R. A small r will be 21 by 2 centimeter. Okay, so it is 10.5 centimeter. Now the similar way that we have calculated in the last, so area of shaded portion equal to pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay, so it is pi and r plus r. What is capital R? It is 17.5. Small r is your 10.5. Okay, capital R again 17.5 minus 10.5. Just calculate this. You will get pi. Now 17.5 plus 10.5, it is 28, and 17.5 minus this is your 7. Now we keep the value of pi. This is 22 by 7 into 28 into 7. Just cancel this 7, and finally you will get the answer 22 into 28 equal to 616 centimeter square. Next, a park is of the shape of a circle of diameter 7 meter. It is surrounded by a path with a width of 0.7 meter. If its cost is rupees 110 per meter square, what is the expenditure of cementing the path? That means we have to first find the area of this shaded portion. See, we have got a park, circular park. Let me take this as a center. So what is the value of first small r? Is it given? Diameter is given. Diameter is given as 7. So if the diameter is given as 7 meter, we can tell that r will be equal to 7 by 2 meter. So we have got the calculation of r. That is the value of r we have got 7 by 2 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the area or the value of the capital R also. Okay, this is your capital R. Now, can you see? You just have to add the width of the path to get the capital R. So that means capital R can be calculated as R small r plus width of the path. Okay, so what is capital small r? Small r is your 7 by 2, and what is the width of the path given? It is 0.7 meter. So now if you calculate 3.5, this will get 4.2 meter. So now we have got the capital R also, that is 4.2 meter. Okay, now we can easily find the area of shaded portion. So let me find the area of path, that is equal to pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay, what is pi? Pi is your 22 by 7. Now r plus r. So r is given as capital R is your 4.2 and 4.2 plus. Let me keep this also as 3.5. So I'm taking this as a 3.5. 7 by 2 is your 3.5 meter. So let me take it 3.5 and then 4.2 minus 3.5. So you got the value 22 by 7 into how much this? This is your 7.7 into you will divide 0.7. Okay. For the convenience of calculation, we can take the fraction as 100, because 7.7 can be written as 77 by 10 and 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. So I've taken this. Okay. Now you can easily cancel out this 7 and 7. Now just multiply 22 into 77 and divide it by 100. So what you are going to get now? 1694 meter square. Okay. So now we have got the area of this path. But the question is not yet finished. Okay. Now we have to calculate the cost. So what is the cost? It is 110 per square meter. Okay. So let me erase this part. So cost per square meter equal to rupees 110. Therefore cost of 1694 meter square equal to rupees 110 into 1694. Okay, just calculate this. 18 rupees 186340. So we can say we have 1,86,340 rupees. Okay, so this is your final answer. So this is the expenditure of cementing the path. The circumference of a given circular park is 55 meter. It is surrounded by a path of uniform width 3.5 meter. Find the area of the path. Again, this question is similar to last question only. So first we have to know what is the value of R. They have given me the circumference of the park. Circumference of the park is given as park is given as 55 meter. So we know what is circumference. Circumference is nothing but the 2 pi r equal to 55 meter. So we can see we have 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r equal to 55 meter. So we can calculate this. 11 2 ja 11 5. So r we will got as 35 by 4 meter. Just keep it like this only. Okay. Now they have given me the path of uniform. They have given me the data of uniform width also. They have told that this is so W and this is given as 3.5 meter. So we can write that capital R, that means radius of the outer circle, can be written as the radius of inner circle plus width of the path. So what is the radius of the inner circle? It is 35 by 4 and then plus it is 3.5 meter. Okay, so you can calculate this and you will get the R equal to. So how will you calculate this? See, you can write this as a width of the park 3.5 meter. That means 3.5 by 10 or whatever you want to do, and just add this, or you can convert the 35 by 4 into decimal also, and then also you can write. So I'm directly writing the value of capital R, and it is 49 by 4 meter. So I got the value of small r, that is the radius of inner circle, and the value of capital R, that is radius of outer circle. Okay, so I'm writing the data this here. I will use this 35 by 4 meter and then capital R equal to 49 by 4 meter. Okay, so now let me erase this part. Now most of the task has already been completed. Now you just have to find the area. So you know what is the process that we follow for finding the area of path. So we can write area of path equal to, I'm directly writing the formula. Okay, it is pi capital R plus small r, capital R minus small r. So it is 22 by 7, and what is capital R? It is 49 by 4, and small r is 35 by 4. And then we have 49 by 4 minus 35 by 4. So it is 22 by 7. If you solve this, you will get 84 by 4 into 14 by 4. Okay, now you can solve the questions. 14 by 4, it is not 14, it is 4. can cancel this by how many times? 12 times. Then this will cancel by 3 times. You can 2 to the 4, 2 7 ja 14, and this you will have 11. So you are left with uh, 21 into 11. This is 1, 3, 2, and this is your meter square. Okay, so the finally you have got the answer 231 meter square as your answer. Okay, next question. Uh, this question is also very easy. We'll try to use all the things that we have learned in the last few slides. Okay, so let us do this question step by step. You may feel like this question is a little bit lengthy, but not that much difficult. Okay, so let us read the question. Okay, now find the area enclosed between two concentric circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. A third concentric circle is drawn outside the 7 centimeter circle such that the area enclosed between it and the 7 centimeter circle is same as that between the two inner circle. Okay, so they are telling me that the whatever we have will get the area of this portion and the area of this portion, that will be equal. Okay, they are saying now that a third concentric circle is drawn outside the 7 centimeter circle such that the area enclosed between it and the 7 centimeter radius. So see, you have got a center and the radius of this is your 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of the outer circle is given as this one, second concentric circle, that is the 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeters, same as that between the two inner circle. Okay, find the radius of the third circle correct to one decimal place. Okay, now first let me find the area of this circle. So, okay, so I am going to, for your convenience, I am going to write that area of shaded portion, and in bracket I am writing green. Okay, so what is that? That is pi capital R plus R and a small a capital R minus a small r. So now we have capital R as, okay, we are taking the radius of this as your R and this is your R. So capital R is your 7 centimeter and a small r is your 3.5 centimeter. Now pi is what? 22 by 7, or let us keep it pi only. Okay, pi, so 7 plus 3.5, 7 minus 3.5. So let me calculate this. Pi, now this is your 10.5 and this is your 4.5. Okay, now let us keep this as it is. Now let me find the area of shaded portion, area of shaded portion, and that is the gray. Okay. See, again first I am writing the formula. What is formula? Pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay. Now uh, we can write pi, and see, let us consider the radius of this capital R as how much? Suppose let us keep it as R dash. Okay, so R dash is your radius of the outermost circle. So let me replace it this by R dash, and we have to take the radius of the this green circle from here to here. So it is r. Okay. Now r is replaced by r dash, and this is r. Okay. Take it as a minus. So if you are getting confused, see this I have written only the formula. This is our formula. What is the formula? We have to add capital R means outermost circle and innermost circle. That means right now I am finding the area of this circle, right? This part. That means I will take this, the radius of this circle, that is r dash, and the radius of this circle as r, because the radius of this circle is small r. Okay. So whatever I will take from here only. So r dash, that means for here it is the radius of outer circle, and r is your radius of inner circle from this. Okay. So just calculate now. Here it is pi. R dash we know. No, we don't know r dash because this we have to find out. Okay. So r dash let us find out. Plus we know the value of capital R. Yes. What is the value of capital R? It is given as 7. So R is our 7 and a small r is our 3.5. Remember this. So r we am keeping it as a 7, and r dash is again how much? You don't know. Minus 7. Now they are telling they are same. That means area of this and area of the shaded portion gray and green, both are same. So now we can equal both of them. Okay. So let me write this as, so I have to raise the data now. So now let me erase this. Area of shaded portion, shaded green equal to area of shaded portion gray. Okay, this is what given. What is the area of green? We have calculated this as a pi 10.5 into 4.5 equal to, and what is the area of gray? It is given pi r dash plus 7 or r dash minus 7. Okay, now let me erase this part. So now pi and pi will get cancelled out. Okay, so you are left with, see, 10.5 into 4.5. So this you can write 105 by 10 into 45 by 10 equal to. Here little bit I have to go to the inverse operation. Okay. So can I write this as R1 square minus 7 square? I can write this. Okay. So now you can see we will calculate the value of this 105 into 45 divided by 100, and then we will subtract, no, we will add, see, minus 7 square, so it is 49, so I can add this plus 49, so equal to R1 dash whole square. Okay. Now let me calculate this. Just calculate in your notebook and tell me what is the value of R1 dash whole square. So if you calculate this, you will get 47.5 Okay, 47.25 and plus 49 equal to r1 dash whole square. So if you calculate this, you will be total will be 96.25 equal to r1 dash ka whole square. Okay, now let me erase this part. So you know how to find the square root of number. So r1 dash, so we have got r1 dash whole square as how much? 96.25. So we can write r1 equal to under root of 96.25. Just calculate the square root of r 96.25. So it is 9.8. Okay, and unit is centimeter, so centimeter. So this is your final answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. If you have doubt, just revise this question and you will get the answer. Next, the area enclosed between the circumference of two concentric circles is this, and they have given me the radii in the ratio that is 5:3, and they are telling me to calculate the area of outer circle and then circumference of the inner circle. Okay, see, this is our center and this is our small r, and this is center and this is our capital R. From here to here it is capital R. Okay, now they have given me the ratio. That means we can say let the ratio, let the radius of both the circle be 5x and 3x. So inner circle, let us take this as 3x and this is our 5x. Okay, got the point? So now I can write this as r equal to 5x and a small r equal to 3x. Okay, now area, what is the formula for area? Pi, and we are finding the area of shaded portion. Okay, so you don't get confused. I'm writing area of, you can say circular path. Circular path is nothing but pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay, so you can always remember how this formula has come. Okay, if I'm writing it like this, you must remember this formula is nothing but pi r square minus r square. You are subtracting the area of inner circle from the outer circle. Okay, and this I am writing as a simpler form, that is pi r plus r and r minus r. Okay, so let me pi, what is r? Here r is our capital R is 5x and small r is 3x, and 5x minus 3x. So it is pi into 5x plus 3x, that is 8x, and 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. So it is 16x square and into pi also. Okay, this is the area of circular path, and that is given, that is 2464. 2464. That means area of circular path equal to 2464, and the given 16x square plus into pi. So now we can keep the value of pi. So it is 2464 equal to 16 into x square into 22 by 7. Now just calculate this, cancel out if there is possibility. So we can write this as x square equal to, see, if I can arrange this number as 2464 into 7 divided by 16 into 22. Okay, see, you can cancel this by 11 and it will go by, I think, how many times? 112 times. Now this you can cancel 7 times, so you have got x square equal to 49. So x will be under root 49 and that is 7. So now I got the value of x. So now you can know the value of capital R. It is 5x. So 5 into 7. So it is 35. And small r is 3x. So 3 into 7. It is 21. Okay. Centimeter. The unit will be in centimeter. Keep it in centimeter. Okay. Now let me solve the question what they have asked. The first question they have asked is area of outer circle. Okay. So let me erase this. So area of circle, that is outer circle. Okay, area of outer. I'm solving the first question. Area of outer circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. So it is pi 22 by 7. And what is r? Capital R is 35. So 35 square. You can solve this 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. 5 times. So it is 22 into 510 and 110 into 35 can be written as 583850 and the unit is in square, so it is centimeter square. Okay, so I got the answer of area of outer circle. Now the second they have asked find the circumference of the inner circle. Okay, so circumference inner circle. So 2 pi and small r because radius of inner circle is small r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r? R is 21. Okay, so you can cancel this 3 times. 44 into 3, 132 centimeter. Okay, next question. In the given figure, the area enclosed In the given figure, the area enclosed between two concentric circles is 808.5 centimeter square. The circumference of the outer circle is 242 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the inner circle. Okay. Now let me take this as a center and we can say that the radius of inner circle as small r. Okay. And we can take the radius of outer circle as capital R. Okay. Now the circumference of this circle is given. That is the circumference of the outer circle is given. Okay. So we use the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r. What is given? It is given 242 equal to. Wait. Just write here capital R because the radius of the outer circle is capital R. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R. Okay, so you will get cancel it out 11 times. So your R is equal to 77 by 2. Just keep it like this only. So we'll use the value of R 77 by 2 now to find the other solution of this question. Okay, so let me erase now. Now they have asked you to find the radius of inner circle. So area of shaded portion and that is pink one. Okay, not the gray one. That will be pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So it is pi okay, so we take the pi as common, so r square minus r square and what is this? 808.5. So pi will take as 22 by 7 now. So 808.5 equal to 22 by 7 and r square. That means capital R is given as 77. So we'll take 77 by 2 whole square minus r square. Okay. Now, so we can write this 808.5 as 808. So 8085 by 10 equal to 22 by 7. Okay. So now you can cancel it out. And okay, rest also you have to write 77 by 2 whole square minus r square. Okay, just cancel out and you will get the whole everything as this also. Then you will cancel out, you will get 147 into 7 by 4 equal to, so you after calculation this, and now you will be left with 77 by 2 whole square minus r square. Okay, now if I bring r square this side, what I will get? I will get 77 by 2 whole square minus 147 into 7 by 4. Okay, so just calculate this. 77 by 2, that means what is the area square of 77? That you can write 5929 by 4 minus 147 into 7, you will get 1029 by 4. So take the LCM. So I'm writing here. Okay. So we'll get r square equal to, take the LCM 4, and you will be having, and after calculation you will be left with 4900. So r will be square root of 4900 divided by 4. So r equal to 70 by 2, or you can write 35. So finally we got the value of small r also, and that is 35 centimeter. Okay. Next, in the given figure, the area enclosed between two concentric circles is 808.5 centimeter square only. The circumference of the outer circle is, find the width of the ring. See, all the data of the question is same as the last question only. You have to perform the similar operation, and after that you will get the value of r as 77 by 2 centimeter, and the small r you will get as 35 centimeter. Okay, see, from here to here it is r, and from here to here it is capital R. So if somebody asks you what is the width of this path, width of path, so it is nothing but it is capital R minus small r. So I can write this as width of the path equal to capital R minus small r. Remember this formula. Okay. So 77 by 2 minus 35 centimeter. So you can take the LCM to 77 minus 70 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, or you can say 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this is your answer. But you cannot directly jump to this conclusion. Okay, for that you have to perform all the steps that we have done in the last question in this question also. To find the value of, first you will have to find the value of capital R, and that means the radius of outer circle, and then you have to also find the radius of inner circle, and then after that only you can subtract the value of capital R and small r to get the width of the path. Okay, so thank you. This was all from the today's session. If you have any doubts, don't forget to write in the comment box. Okay, and this series will continue. Okay, we are still left with many parts. See you in the next session. Thank you.